welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting SUVs on the market, to the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. This isn't just any SUV, it's Ferrari's first ever four-door, four-seater vehicle, and it's redefining the concept of high-performance luxury. If you're a Ferrari fan or just a lover of speed and style, stay tuned because we're breaking down all the latest updates, features, and performance specs of the 2025 Purosangue. Ferrari has always been about pushing boundaries, and with the Purosangue, they've done just that. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering a mind-blowing 725 horsepower and 716 Newton-meters of torque. That means this SUV isn't just about luxury, it's built to perform like a true Ferrari, with a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.3 seconds and a top speed exceeding 310 km/h. The Purosangue is currently one of the fastest SUVs in the world. Unlike other luxury SUVs that rely on turbocharging or hybrid powertrains, Ferrari has kept the soul of a traditional V12 alive, ensuring an unmatched driving experience. One of the standout updates in the 2025 Purosangue is the improved suspension system. Ferrari has introduced a new Multimatic True Active Spool Valve (TASV) suspension, which provides unparalleled handling and comfort. This system continuously adjusts to road conditions, making the Purosangue feel just as sharp on corners as any Ferrari sports car. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the mountain roads, this suspension ensures a balanced and smooth ride, giving you the best of both worlds, a luxury and performance. Now let's talk about the design. The Purosangue is not your typical boxy SUV. Ferrari has taken a completely different approach, giving it an aggressive yet elegant design. The front features sharp LED headlights inspired by the SF90 Stradale, while the sleek curves and sculpted aerodynamics ensure maximum downforce. The rear is just as stunning, with a sporty diffuser and quad exhausts that remind you this is still a Ferrari at heart. If you're wondering about the best color for the 2025 Purosangue, Rosso Corsa, Ferrari Red, remains a top favorite among Ferrari enthusiasts. But for those looking for something unique, Ferrari also offers stunning green shades like Verde British and Verde Zeltweg, making the Purosangue stand out even more. Inside, Ferrari has gone all out with luxury and technology. The 2025 model features a fully digital cockpit with a 10.2-inch driver's display and an additional 10.2-inch screen for the passenger, ensuring an immersive experience. The carbon fiber and Alcantara interior gives it a sporty yet premium feel. Unlike traditional SUVs, the Purosangue doesn't have a massive touchscreen in the center. Instead, Ferrari has focused on driver engagement, keeping the controls more intuitive and performance-oriented. The rear seats are just as luxurious, offering heated and ventilated seats, making it one of the most comfortable Ferrari models ever. Pricing for the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, but with customizations and Ferrari's exclusive options, the price can go well beyond that. It's a premium price, but considering the exclusivity and the fact that Ferrari is limiting production, it's a dreamed machine for collectors and enthusiasts. In the US, the Purosangue has already gained massive popularity, with many units already reserved by elite buyers. So, what do you think about the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue? Is it the ultimate performance SUV? or would you go for something else in this segment? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Wars Pack for more exciting car updates. See you in the next one.